Like they usually say, it's not much, but it's mine. So went for a slightly lower placement for the GPU than normal, so as to show off this wonderful M.2 Gen 4 SSD. The copper heatsink does look really nice. For the I/O screen, I chose to go with the yellow and white two-tone PCMR-ish color scheme. You can set it to pretty much anything you want. I made it so it shows the temperatures in this Ryzen 3950X is staying pretty chill even when performing some tasks. We'll start testing more. After this, the RGB RAM, I really like how the wave pattern looks. I was always partial to the wave pattern, same as the AIO and RGB overload here as well, if there's even such a thing.